Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to go ahead and track your protein on the Ladder application. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly, so you can make sure that this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing we want to do is to go ahead and open up the official Ladder application if you have not already. So if you do not already have it downloaded, what you want to do is go ahead and open up the App Store on your mobile phone, open up the App Store, search for Ladder, find the application and install it. So after installing it, opening it up, this is going to be the home page you agree to buy. From this main page we can get started, but first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up the team section right here to go ahead and choose what team you want to be a part of and whose workouts you want to follow. So filter out the teams, find which one suits you the most and get started, and now we can access the main workout page right here. From this page, we can get started with accessing our workouts, and alongside them, we can log our food, and we can do so by going to the nutrition tab right here in the bottom right corner. In the bottom right corner, we have nutrition, from where we can get started with setting up our tracking. So this is going to enable us to track our macros and protein alongside with it. As you can see, we can do so with voice folder or barcode, but you need a premium plan. Ladder cannot be used for free, so keep that in mind. You need to have a pro plan, but once you have gotten it, you can access the nutrition tab right here, and from the nutrition tab, you can get started with accessing everything you need. You can scan your food, you can go ahead and give descriptions to go ahead and manage your proteins, calories, and so on, and this is where it's done. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, take care, and bye.